Hi everyone, I'm Julie here. Today I will show our Instant product to you. Instant modern simple design garage door is one of our hot selling products. The principle of science, the door built-in torsion spring, torque and door weight, show that the door body in the zero weight state. And in the check by the pulley running, show the resistance is small, less energy consumption, low maintenance rate. In addition, we support any customized drawings, not limited to size, color, etc. If you need, please contact us.